Today I want to take a look at a 4-port blade fuse holder, and this is what it looks like. I want a very small one, and this is apparently the smallest one you can get with 4 instead of like a 2 blade fuse holder. And this is what that looks like. And it's really neat because this is the smallest one I can get, and I really wanted the smallest one. But in order to take the cover off, it has this latch here. Just press it and it comes off just like that. And that's what the inside looks like. And the plastic seems pretty well made. This one might be a little on the thin side, I'm not sure, but you're not going to be taking that on and off all the time. So what I want to take a look is this part here. Let me see if I can get the camera to see that on the bottom of it. I'm having a hard time seeing the letters, so I'll just read them. It says R3-76, 32 volts direct current, 100 amps maximum, patent, and then has a number in there. So that's what the back looks like. And then this is the main terminal. The terminals they're pretty strong, but they look kind of cheap. I don't know. It seems like aluminum. But anyway, let me take a look at something. I was kind of worried about having LEDs on these because obviously you don't want to run the battery down, and in my car I don't have a direct line for power, so that's why I want to add one of these. But before I go on, I want to show you something here, because I managed to actually get the LEDs to light up. I was just testing it to see if they were fine. Actually, I'll leave that off too, so I can do both. So basically, this is my power. I'm just checking for continuity here, and I have a number 10 fuse here, and you can see that I get my beep, so that's working. But when I go to one that doesn't have a fuse, it lights up. Or I guess when it's broken, if you have something connected to it, then it will light up. But if there's nothing connected to it, then you don't have to worry about it, which is nice. And that's the part I was kind of wondering how that would work if I didn't use all of them. If you do have a fuse, then you'll just get that. But if you have nothing connected, then you know it's fine. So it's kind of nice that they actually do that. Now let me test this one here with the same 10 fuse. So I get the same thing. Check. So that looks good. I'm just going to leave a couple of fuses on there so I don't lose them. And then I'll just check this one. So at least I know that's working, which is cool. I'm still waiting for the larger fuse that I want to put near the battery. So I'm going to have 2 fuses, this block up front and then another one at the back, just because there's a nice long run of a cable there. Oh, I didn't mention the reason I want to use this for is, or the reason I got it, it's to add power to spare fog lights that I have. Excuse me. For some reason the switch I noticed was getting hot the other day when I replaced my bulbs. So I did some other maintenance on the car yesterday, so I'm gonna test that before I even put anything else. So I'm still waiting for the other fuse. But this is supposed to be the line that I use for the relay on it that I want to add to the fog lights, in case that's still not working correctly. And you should always use a relay. So basically the kit that I got, or at least the two kits that I got, come with everything here. You have your fuse holder here, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fuses, and you have the number 2, 3, 5, 7.5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35, which is what you see here. This is the 10. So this dark clear, it's 2, the number 2, purple is 3, let's see, yellow is 5, then we have the red, that's 10, 7.5, which is similar to the 2 here, so you gotta be careful. 15 is blue, 20 is yellow, 25 is clear, 30 is the green, and you have purple 35. So now you see how that works, and it's nice that it also comes with a fuse puller. Although I don't think you're gonna need it on here, but I don't have one, so I can use it on my other fuses, on my original car fuses, which is nice. It's a little stiff to get in there, but on here you don't need it. They're sticking out far enough that I don't think you'll need it. So let me put a couple more just to see. I'm not sure how good these fuses are. They look kind of not the best. Very. But anyways, so let's see what that looks like. So that just snaps on there. That's what that looks like with all 4 fuses on there. The only weird thing is the plugs that you get a put out here. But anyways, that's pretty much it. So I hope this is helpful.